Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and today we are going to learn about the dictionary, that how we can use the dictionary option in MS Excel. So you just need to go in Trier, okay, and from Trier you just need to write down the word like description, and for description the meaning will be account, report, explanation, picture, narrative, okay. And I can also check the meaning of small. I will just copy paste it and search it, and it will showing me the meaning of small is minor, unimportant, okay. And for big I can, so I will search it and it's showing me it's mean large, giant, immense, vast, great. So this is the way by which you can check the meanings of the words, okay, in MS Excel 2013. So the next thing that is, you just need to subscribe my channel and my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/my tutorial, okay. And this is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for your time.